As a producer now, what gives you the impression that this script is a reasonable next step for the company? What gives you the impression that we can actually get this movie out there?
I think that it is the next step logically in all of our developments. It is a size-wise, as far as the size of production, it's right around where we should go to a next step. You know, we had a great thing with Starmine. We put together a budget and a production level that were right smack dab in the middle of where we were at that time, and we worked through that and we created something great. So now this kicks it up just another notch, you know, to a decent size micro cinema film. And also, like, development wise, I think it, even though it uses a lot of us in there, in those scripts, as far as our own personalities, it pushes those personalities to different places, to more challenging places. Like in the case of a character like Eli from the Starmine record, for me personally, he was a guy that I could easily turn into, you know, given the right circumstances, and a little more imbalance in my life. So it was an easier place to get to. A character like Lee Fisher is somebody I could have turned into, but I probably am not in any danger of turning into at this point because my life has gone off on different tracks. So because of that, it's going to take a little bit more challenge. It's going to take me going back and saying, like, how am I like this guy, you know? And the writing makes that obvious, but it's a different place to get to. It's a more challenging place to get to, and I think that's the way it is for all of the characters and the actors involved. The other thing is that Starmine record was very improvisational in its work. It was very easy. We found our way into it, you know, kind of like in sort of a lower level acting class where you're just basically learning to work off, you know. Quantum Theory is like, it's like bam, 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 bam. It's like a Sorkin piece, an Aaron Sorkin piece. It's just like, it's going to require timing. It's going to require a lot of rehearsal while still maintaining a level of naturalism in there.
Spontaneity.
And spontaneity, yeah. And so that's why this is such a challenging piece.